Ever felt trapped in a sweltering RV, miles from relief? Today, we've rounded up the top 5 best RV air conditioners to keep your adventures cool and comfortable. Welcome to my channel. Everything you need is linked below. Stay tuned to discover which one truly transforms your mobile living experience. The number 5 product on our list is FOGATTI RV Air Conditioner. Most RV air conditioners struggle in extreme heat, but the FOGATTI RV Air Conditioner doesn't just survive, it thrives. With dual compressors and a powerful 15,000 BTU output, it easily earns a spot in the top 5 best RV air conditioner picks this year. I installed it on my 5th wheel and immediately felt the difference. Fast, even cooling with whisper-quiet operation at just 59 dB. That means restful nights and no more shouting over a loud unit. Built with a UV and impact-resistant HIPS shell, it's made for real travel, rain, sun, or bumpy roads. Yes, it's a non-inducted unit and requires the Instacool Series ADB sold separately, but that combo takes performance to the next level. Unlike other units like the Coleman Mac or Dometic Brisk, FOGATTI runs cooler, quieter, and smarter. It's not the cheapest, but for real-world reliability and comfort, it's absolutely worth it. Number 4 is Dreo Portable Air Conditioner. If you've ever tried to sleep through a summer night in your RV with a loud, underperforming AC, you know the struggle. But the Dreo EC515S Portable Air Conditioner completely flips that experience. With a powerful 12,000 BTU output and ultra-quiet 46 dB performance, it doesn't just cool, it comforts. I tested it side by side with units in the top 5 best RV air conditioner list, and Dreo impressed me with its smart 3-in-1 design. Cooler, fan, and dehumidifier all in one sleek unit. Brawl here would show smooth app control, Alexa voice commands, and its hassle-free window kit setup. Literally, plug and chill. It's ideal for smaller RVs or rooms where ducted systems aren't practical. Downsides, it's not as rugged for rooftop installs and works best under 85% humidity. But for ease, silence, and modern control, this is a smart, peace-of-mind buy we confidently recommend. For RVers and renters alike, the third one on our list is SereneLife Portable Air Conditioner. Most portable ACs promise cool air, but the SereneLife Portable Air Conditioner actually delivers comfort, and in the most user-friendly way. While testing contenders for the top 5 best RV air conditioner lineup, this sleek 8,000 BTU unit stood out for small RVs, home offices, and tight living spaces. It's not just about cooling, it's about simplicity. Roll it, plug it, press a button, and feel instant relief. Brawl here would show its smooth gliding wheels, compact design, and the easy-to-navigate digital control panel. With 3-in-1 modes, cooling, fan, dehumidifier, it's perfect for humid days when air feels heavy and sticky. Yes, it's not built for huge rigs or extreme temps, and at 55 to 57 dB, it's not whisper quiet, but for under 215 SQFT, it works brilliantly. If you want a reliable, portable, no-fuss option tested for real-world comfort, this is a smart, stress-free buy. On number 2 is BLACK+DECKER Portable Air Conditioner. Here's a surprising fact: not all portable ACs are created equal, especially when it comes to RV living. The BLACK+DECKER Portable Air Conditioner blends portability with power, making it a standout contender in the top 5 best RV air conditioner conversations. With 8,000 BTU ASHRAE cooling capacity, it easily handles rooms up to 350 CFT, perfect for larger RVs or small cabins. The 3-in-1 feature, cooling, dehumidifier, and fan, gives you full control over your comfort. I love the quiet operation and the auto water evaporation system, which means less hassle with draining. Visually, the LED control panel and remote make adjustments smooth and simple. While it's a bit heavier, at nearly 46 all-pieces, the casters and handles make moving it a breeze. If you want a dependable, versatile unit tested for real-world comfort, this is a smart, no-nonsense pick. But if you need ultra-compact for tiny RVs, look elsewhere. Now moving to the last one is RecPro RV Air Conditioner. Offers a powerful 15,000 BTU cooling capacity, ensuring your RV remains comfortably cool during hot summer days. Its energy-efficient design features a low amp draw, allowing you to run multiple appliances without overloading your system. Ideal for off-grid adventures, Crafted from durable, UV-resistant materials, this unit is built to withstand the rigors of travel, ensuring longevity and reliability. Operating at just 55.4 dB, it provides a peaceful environment perfect for relaxation or sleep. The built-in heat pump offers year-round comfort by providing both cooling and heating options. User-friendly controls include a multifunction remote and LED touch display, making adjustments on the go effortless. Elevate your RV experience with the RecPro RV Air Conditioner, where comfort meets efficiency. So guys, this was the video about the top 5 best RV air conditioner. All the links are given in the description. Do check them out. If you enjoyed the video, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more videos. Thank you.